Okay, so my name's Natalie Fine, and I'm going to be going over the orientation from 3SB. Some of the things we went over during orientation was the benefits of the 3-semester credential program, which I am currently in. So the biggest benefit about it is the flexible schedule, which was really important for me considering I do commute from Temecula and I'm working full-time as well. So it's definitely a benefit. It may take a little longer, but I'll get there. Also, the program offers 2 full semesters of student teaching rather than the 2-semester program where they have to do it quicker. And also, we're able to get placed in all areas over San Diego County, which also will help me considering I'm coming from Temecula, so hopefully I can get placed somewhere up in North County to help me out. Some more orientation overview continued. So some of the things we discussed during the orientation, we did get to meet our cohort leaders. Eric Ginzenberg is my cohort leader. We also participated in partner activities where we got to tell a little bit about ourselves to some of the people in our class, which was cool to hear other people's experiences and how they ended up at SDSU taking the 3-semester program. We also did, after our lunch break, we went and we got to watch a student panel with current 3SB students, and they got to tell their experience about how they like the program and some benefits and struggles that they've definitely gone through with it, which also helped me because it gave a more relatable experience to current students that are about to enter into the program. So that was probably my favorite part of the orientation. We also did a little bit of practice with some of the software like Flipgrid during orientation, as well as what we're doing right now, the Screenomatic. So we're going to be using this throughout the program. We also talked briefly about the teacher performance assessment, which is going to be a 3 10-page essays at the end of the program that has to be submitted. That's pretty much how you get your credential, as long as you pass that. We also, at the very end, after our last lunch break, met with everybody who's going to be in the student teaching program. So that's including 3-semester people and the 2 semesters in a big group seminar lecture hall where we talked about things like Title IX and just kind of San Diego State in general. And lastly, the Teacher Credential Program Handbook that was sent out in our emails. So some of the things that it goes over are the standards and expectations that the cohort leaders expect from us as students in this program. It also lists all the contacts and resources, such as things in the education built department, so resources to contact an education department, things like that. It talked briefly about the attendance and how that's really important. So you kind of have to give as a 3-semester person, you're only at school twice a week this semester, so it's definitely crucial that you don't miss any attendance, because you miss one day, you're missing half of your week. It also talked about clinical practice, so the observations and student teaching, so what they expect from that, and rules, regulations, everything that goes with that. And also professionalism, which was a very big key point. When going to school, like they said, that you are a guest in their classroom, so you always need to be very professional, and yeah, pretty much that. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.